All the serial number tags on a Town & Country are located in the lower left-hand corner between the edge of the glass and the edge of the lintel plate. They will be pushed back in. As you see here, you will need a couple tools, maybe a screwdriver and a long pair of needle nose pliers to pry it out, but you'll have to pull this out. And this is the actual tag that will have the serial number, model number, and the UL listings on it. After you're done, you just slide it back in. There is a slot inside there that this will go back into. But you do not have to go into the firebox. It's all done from between the glass and the lintel bar.